What's going on, everybody? It's Lang Dutchman here. Today we're heading towards a car meet in wolvega, which is a Dutch place, like 20-30 minutes from my house. And it was just a nice Saturday. It's a little bit windy in the car, sorry. It's just a nice sunny Saturday. We're like, you know what? Let's just go out, check it out, and see if we can spot some cool cars and have a good time. So, no commentary on this video, just enjoy.
If you all talk, you get left in the rear view, waiting for that new move to drop. Here's a preview. You say you be everywhere, but we don't ever see you. Everything I was the first, this the sequel. They ain't ready. Turn the speakers up and slam in the gear. Your favorite rapper and producer reconnected this year. Ain't no slowing us down. High speed when we pass by, so when you hear that beat drop, please put them hands high. We live fast and die young. Better make it count. The goal is to make change in the world and my bank account. I mean in large amounts, my daughter gotta eat too. And I'm tired of slaving for rich people. Yeah. Godspeed, who got speed? Life moves so fast in a flash you'll see. Everybody getting left behind, swerving through all the twists and turns. We ain't losing this time, let's go. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up. Wasn't it just yesterday when we were young and carefree? Not a damn thing in this world could ever scare me. We never had it all, but we survived through the twists and the turns. Getting the money and the girls was my only concern. Was born in the third, raised in the first. I know it firsthand. I know about the struggle and the blessings of a free land. But we ain't free, man. Ain't nothing in this world free. Look around, division is all I see. The rich go here, the poor stay here. The rest of y'all try your best to find you a career. I steer away from all that mess and overtake the competition. Speeding away fast like racing is my religion. What they speak about is not my concern. Leave them all in smoke while I let these tires burn. Clock keeps ticking and we on the last lap. You know I got the handle, so we drifting through the track. And they bring it back one time, two times. Here we go. Since 98, I've been raw with an illy flow. Boombox recordings, no video. I've been around the world and back. They don't hear me though. It feels like I'm in a race with time. Now whenever I go hard for everything that's mine. All this work I put in is to provide what we never had. Pedal to the metal till I'm speeding past the checkered flag. Godspeed, who got speed? Life moves so fast in a flash you'll see. Everybody getting left behind, swerving through all the twists and turns. We ain't losing this time, let's go. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up, faster. Speed it up. Fast and die young. Racing is my religion. We live fast and die young. Racing is my religion.
So we were looking at this car, thinking for some reason, because we looked at the engine first, which turned out to be a Honda K series. And we were standing here and we saw the double headlights. We were like, yeah, but this in the Celica and blah blah blah. And then I stepped back and wait, I saw the banner. Hyundai? Wait, wasn't this a... It's a fucking Hyundai Coupe or Tribune, depending on where you're from, but a Hyundai Tribune or Coupe with a K-swap Honda engine. What the? I thought I'd seen it all. So we're now driving back from the meet. It was very diverse, old, new, styles, everything. I don't think I did a good job filming because I forgot to pick up the camera so many times. When we arrived, we saw some friends that we knew from a lot of years before, and we sort of like hooked up and just spent the afternoon together, which was pretty fun and nice to catch up. So that sort of hurt my filming quality. And even some people from the Discord dropped by. Our Discords of like my channel, we have a few people in there, just car enthusiasts. And sometimes we even meet up at meetings. So if you want to join the Discord, link is in the description below. And I hope you can hear this. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.